see. Some laps later. Hey, Rince, wait for me. What I'm going to do is nothing personal. It's just that I'm angry that Suzuki's leaving MotoGP. You'll regret your decision, Suzuki. Yay! My first victory is so close! Oh yeah! Stop right there, you're using number 46 and it's retired from MotoGP, but my number is 72. The 46 is the number of my team. 5 minutes later. Again, my number is 72. I said you can ride with 46 and you were right. Hey, look, he has 46 too, stop in the name of father! Finally, I can race again. Sorry, Luca, but this was the only way. Yay! Woohoo! I have some great pace today, and I feel podium is possible for me. Wait a second. If he can reach the podium, I can do it too. But how many bicycles are you riding on your bike? Hey, Luca, do you like cycling? Yes, but I'm not as good as you. That's because you're not training like me. Use my bicycle and you'll see. Hey, I want my bike back. Which version of Ducati is that? I'm lost. Woohoo, podium! Coming through, the rider who achieved 3 consecutive podiums, and I won the 4th. Oh, don't celebrate too much. I will overtake you on the final lap. Wow! Right now, I can see everything. I have tempered away and help me, you son of a mini! Yeah, victory at home! Okay, Professor, I saw a Aprilia with a rear wing on their bike. We're the only one with strange wings. I want wings! Alright, how many wings do you want on your bike? You know my answer. Some days later. Jealous?
Hey minifan, you want more content of the minis? Join our social networks, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok and Facebook to see more designs. If you want to meet more minifans, you can chat with us in our Telegram group, Discord channel and Reddit. Don't forget to support us as a YouTube member or Patreon. If you enjoyed the chapter, don't forget to click the like button and leave us a comment. Subscribe to the channel and see you on the next Grand Prix!